Welcome to the Tail Couture Ponytail System. Follow these detailed steps to achieve a full and seamless ponytail, even if you've never done this before. Let's get started. What you'll need: your Tail Couture Ponytail System, 2 pieces. A tail comb and a soft bristle brush. 2 hair ties, 1 for securing the ponytail, 1 for the system and drop hair combined. A mirror and, if possible, an additional mirror to help see the back of your head. Step 1. Preparing your hair. Start by deciding where you want your ponytail to sit, high, mid, or low on your head. Using a brush or comb, gather your hair into a ponytail, leaving a section of hair, about an inch-wide perimeter, around the edges. This is called drop hair, and will be used to blend your natural hair over the tail couture system. Secure the ponytail tightly with a small hair tie or rubber band. Make sure it's snug, as this will serve as the base for the tail couture piece. Step 2. Attaching the tail couture system. Take the main piece of your tail couture system. This piece will have multiple clips attached to it. Place the center clip of the main piece directly on top of your secured ponytail. Snap the center clip closed, ensuring it feels secure on the ponytail base. If the clips don't close easily, it means too much hair has been caught inside. Remove some of the hair and try closing the clips again. One by one, snap the side clips closed. This will secure the system fully around your ponytail, making sure it stays in place. Step 3. Securing the second piece. Once the main piece is secure, take the second piece of the tail couture system and place it directly below the main banded ponytail. This is designed to close up the ponytail and give a seamless, voluminous look. Place the second piece directly under the first piece, ensuring all clips are fully fastened. This will lock both pieces together for a natural-looking ponytail. Step 4. Blending your hair. Gently brush out the drop hair you left around the perimeter of your ponytail. Use a soft bristle brush for best results. Carefully pull the drop hair over the tail couture system to fully cover the clips and extensions. This step is important to ensure the system blends perfectly with your natural hair, making the ponytail look smooth and seamless. Secure the drop hair in place with another small hair tie at the base of your ponytail. Finishing touches, smoothing and styling. After securing the hair, use a brush or comb to smooth out any remaining bumps or visible seams. Style your ponytail as desired. You can curl, straighten, or add accessories for your preferred look.